Hello internet world, in today's video I've got a couple of very affordable keyboards sent in to me by Rii. Now these were both sent in free of charge, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I just want to share with you my opinion and experience of using these so you can make an informed buying decision. Without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the Rii RK908. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard. Comes supplied in this plain sort of brown box. There is some printing on the front there and also on the back. The back actually just lists off some of the specifications, including the fact we've got an 87 key keyboard layout and also a multi-layer mixed light design. So you've got multiple lighting effects and RGB backlighting on this keyboard. When you open it up, you're presented with the keyboard itself. You also get a keycap puller because you can change the keycaps if you so wish. And you also get some instructions on how to interact with those lighting modes and get everything up and running. It's a captive cable, so you can't remove this, but it is a nice quality braided cable terminated with USB to go into your computer. Really nice compact size, very nice clicky keys. We'll come on to that in a short while. On the back here, we've got a cable exit on the centre, but you can also run it out to the sides as well, so it will exit either side. We've also got some little flip out feet, so you can raise the back of the keyboard, and also rubberised feet here and here as well. Plastic on the bottom, but very solid construction. Feels very, very nice indeed. And in use, it's also exceptionally good, especially when you consider the price point of this keyboard. You're getting a really good feeling mechanical gaming keyboard here. So of course we've got the full array of keys as you'd expect. When it's not backlit, it is a little bit tricky to see, but in decent lighting you can see it well enough, and when it's backlit there's no problem at all. So let's just have a little type on this so you can hear it in action. Very, very nice responsive keys. They're very sort of springy and reactive, a nice fast reaction time from these switches here, and overall really nice experience. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this for productivity. It really is designed to be a gaming keyboard. It's very focused on that. The travel on the keys a little bit too much for me if I was using this just for typing, but certainly for gaming it is a solid recommendation. This is the Rii K22. It's a wireless multimedia keyboard with touchpad. Comes supplied in this nice colour printed box. You can see on the bottom right hand corner here it lists off some of the compatibility, including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and of course your smart TV. And it's a really good partnership for a keyboard like this to interact with something like an Android TV, because you can sit back at a distance, type in whatever you're searching for, use the touchpad and interact with a large screen TV. But of course you can use it, as mentioned earlier, with a computer as well. We take a look round on the back here, just says about it being wireless, also auto connection through 2.4G, USB 2 receiver, and also multimedia hotkeys as well. Inside the box we get the keyboard, of course. We also get a user manual. We also get a cable, so it's micro USB on one end, USB, and then also USB female socket as well. So very, very useful cable. And then we've got the keyboard itself, very, very thin, but very rigid, very good, strong construction on this. So we've got on the bottom here this sort of, it feels like plastic, but it is cold to the touch. So I think this is a metal base plate. We've got a little storage area in the end here for the USB dongle, which is very, very good indeed. And then of course we've got little rubberized feet as well. And this portion here allows the keyboard to angle up nicely. If we take a look across this top edge, we've got the micro USB charging port just there. We've also got the on-off switch. Let's turn this on. You'll see we've got some LED lights as well just by the trackpad. The trackpad is very, very useful indeed. We can interact really nicely with menu systems on that large screen TV that I mentioned earlier. We've also got mouse buttons just here built into the keyboard, and then we've got the chiclet style keyboard itself, which again really nicely spaced, very nice to use, and virtually silent in use as well. These are really nice and responsive. With regards to the function keys, you can see across the top here we've got the full function keys, which when we press the function button we can get access to the multimedia options there: search, go home, play, pause, etc. It's a very nice keyboard. Really decent battery life, nice and lightweight, but really solid construction. If you want something that's got really flexible use case scenarios for use with that large screen TV, Windows, Mac, Linux, etc., then this is definitely worth checking out. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. If you want to purchase either of these keyboards for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoy my videos, please do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.